OYO is back, third IPO attempt. Will it finally get listed? 5 years. Three IPO attempts and now OYO is back. But here's the interesting part. This is not the same company that wanted to go public a few years ago. OYO's parent company has now filed its updated draft red herring prospectus or UDRHP with SEBI. This is the document that brings it one step closer to stock market listing. But if you think this IPO is all about raising money for rapid expansion, think again. This time the story is very different. Unlike many startups IPO where early investors use the listing to cash out, there is no offer for sale here. Existing investors aren't selling their shares. The money being raised will go directly into the company, with a large part of it being used to reduce debt and strengthen the balance sheet. That tells you something important. OYO is not pitching itself as a high growth startup chasing the next big milestone. It's trying to present itself as a more mature and financially stable business. And honestly, the company has changed a lot. Over the last few years, it has moved from reporting losses to becoming profitable. More importantly, it has expanded well beyond India. Today, a majority of its business comes from international markets, especially after acquiring Motel 6 in the United States. In many ways, OYO is no longer just an Indian hotel startup. It's becoming a global hospitality company. But before you get too excited, there are still some big questions. The long-running legal dispute with Zostel is still unresolved. There are ongoing lawsuits in the US related to its acquired hotel business, regulatory matters in India, and several other legal proceedings that investors will definitely be watching closely. So yes, the business looks stronger than before, but the risks haven't completely disappeared. What's also interesting is that OYO is reportedly targeting a lower valuation than it during its earlier IPO attempt. That could make this listing more realistic and perhaps more acceptable to public market investors. Now, the big question is, will this finally be the IPO that makes it to the stock market after two unsuccessful attempts? Do let us know what do you think of this and keep watching Sharescard for more.